Hey Tony, give me a hand here. This just came off the UPS truck, a pallet of the new Soundstream Reserve for street glides and 98 to 13. Okay? Tony, give me a hand here.
Let me grab one of these.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Tony Ash, Frank Santoro, coming to you from Daytona Cycle Audio. We are excited to get these new units in here. They've been threatening for 6 months for these things to finally come in. This is our first load right here. Frank, talk a little bit about this radio.
The new one for the street glide. Okay, touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 13-band EQ system. Okay, listen, guys, this is the ticket here. We're talking trend setting here. Okay, this is going to blow away anything else on the market. I don't even see anybody else surviving on this one. Okay, this is a great unit. Tony, you got anything else to say?
Yeah, so not everybody utilizes XM satellite or Sirius radio, Sirius satellite. So we get asked a lot about the modules, and now we actually have a module that is made for all of these radios. So we've got the SI for the newer 20s and ups. We've got the units that are from the 14s to the 19s as well. Again, for the road glide, now for the single headlight street glide ultras, whatever. So again, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, this guy plugs right in, so you don't have to stream from your phone now if you want satellite radio. So, Frank?
So our complete line now, okay? We have the regular Soundstream doubled in, okay? Which I just have to correct Tony, that module does not, the only unit that it doesn't work with is that. But from the SI all the way through, that module plugs right in. But now we have the regular, the SI, we have the road glide, the street glide, okay? Come on in, we're fully stocked, man, so come on in and see us, and come and listen to our new edition. And what is that, Tony?
The 5150.
The 5150. We're not going to say much about it. Come on in and see it. We're going to make another video on just that bike that we have with all PRVs. It's incredible.
So guys, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel so that more people can see this as well. So, hey, we appreciate you guys. Ride safe. Take care.